The ocelot is a stunning wild cat found in South and Central America and parts of the southern United States. Known for its striking, dappled coat, the ocelot's fur is marked with distinctive rosettes and stripes, making it highly prized by poachers. About twice the size of a domestic cat, ocelots are solitary and nocturnal, hunting small mammals, birds, and reptiles. They are excellent climbers and swimmers, often found in diverse habitats from tropical rainforests to savannas. With their acute night vision and keen sense of smell, ocelots are adept predators, embodying the mystery and beauty of the wild. Feeling wild about these amazing animal facts? Don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button and joining our pack of animal enthusiasts. Subscribe now for a safari of fascinating discoveries.